Hey everyone, my name is Rahul Gupta and I am a student of Birla Institute of Management Technology, batch 2015-17. In this video, I will talk about one of the most important aspects of a brand, that is its identity, and Polo Ralph Lauren, which is one of the most luxurious brands in the world. Brand identity. A company's brand identity reveals how it wants its consumers to perceive it. The brand identity comes with visible elements such as company's name, the design of its logo, its packaging design, and the colors, taglines, and typeface used in its marketing endeavors. The recognizable brand identity for any company is essential to have a great impact in the minds of the consumers. Therefore, a company's brand identity should always relate to its core values. Brand identity is different from brand image, which is how consumers actually perceive a brand. If a brand identity and brand image of a company don't match, the company is probably out of touch of its market sentiment. The business becomes difficult to conduct and its value falls. Companies like Apple and Coca-Cola have succeeded in conveying simple and positive brand identity message to their customers. Consumer might think of refreshing when they hear Coca-Cola or sleek when they hear Apple. When these type of brand associations prevail, the products of a company are top of the mind. A company should therefore analyze the market and know its consumers to build a perfect brand identity. A brand identity is the most important aspect for any brand because it is the most valuable item in the company's balance sheet. Polo Ralph Lauren. Polo Ralph Lauren is the topmost luxurious and sophisticated American brand for the past 40 years. The brand deals in comfortable lifestyle products in the categories of home, accessories, and fragrances. The biggest brand identity of Polo Ralph Lauren is its Polo player logo embedded with RL initials. Since 1967, Ralph Lauren has defined the essence of American style. Striking a balance between timeless and modern, Ralph Lauren creates collections that express a unique sense of personal style inspired by rich visual imagery. Its apparel and accessories offer gift of iconic and enduring style. Polo Ralph Lauren is always associated with generous activities like hurricane relief, breast cancer, etc. The brand also endorses sports like US Open, Wimbledon, and in 2008 it got US Olympic contract for the official outfit of US team. Brand's biggest adjustment to the ever-changing consumer needs is the virtual window shop located at the Madison Avenue, where the customers can go and purchase any merchandise which they like on any given time of the day and any day of the week. Polo Ralph Lauren truly defines modern luxury with romantic elegance and timeless style. That's it from my side. I hope you like the video. Do subscribe and like it.